Welcome back, one and all, for yet another exciting session at the 16th Marketing Conclave, organized by IMEI and powered by Z5. We now move on to the next case study of the day, a complete holiday experience with GoAir. And to present the case study, we have with us Ms. Khyati Mangu, Director Creative Strategy, Word. Over to you, Khyati.
Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm Khyati. I take care of creative strategy at Word. Word is a tech-first influencer marketing agency. And over the years, we have had the opportunity of working with many prestigious clients. Some of them are like Bumble and Winecraft and Samsung and GoAir, of course. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the latest case study of influencer marketing with our partners, GoAir. Just give me a second. I'll just share my screen. Okay. So the reason, in fact, that I've taken GoAir as a case study is because travel industry has been quite a talk of the town recently, especially since last year when everybody started talking about what is the future of travel and how do influencer marketing fit into the scheme of things. So considering that kind of a conversation, what we wanted to do is we wanted to shed some light on how do these two very different categories work together in absolute harmony and bring out a very, very bright future when it comes to influencer marketing. Because now that we are at home, thanks to the pandemic, we will be able to see the brighter side of life and how influencers are effectively taking care of not just travel, but also other categories when it comes to influencer marketing. So let me quickly take you through the case study and then we can get into the round of discussion. The case study is called A Complete Holiday Experience with GoAir. And let me explain it how it works for you. Let me put some light on the campaign objectives. So when we were discussing with GoAir and when we were in talks in terms of how do we take care of influencer marketing in a travel category, the first and foremost thing that GoAir put on the table for us is to change the imagery of GoAir from a transportation provider to an experience provider. Yes, that was our biggest task because see, over the years GoAir has always been a low cost carrier in the industry, and they had also moved on their imagery from just being a carrier to a holistic travel experience provider with their property called as Go Holidays. So they needed help from an influencer perspective in terms of how do we utilize people who are savvy with traveling at multiple locations, who have a certain type of taste, and also come with a very strong credibility when they promote or talk about a brand like GoAir. So that was one of our primary objectives. Second thing was to highlight the new international destinations that were launched by GoAir. So when it comes to the international destination, it was in 2019, and over a couple of months, it was July, August, and sometime in November, they launched multiple destinations such as Muscat, Dubai, Bangkok, and Singapore. And for these destinations, they had not just launched their different flights, but they had also launched a lot of go holiday experiences, which combined everything from your door to destination experience, right from booking your flight tickets to getting a great experience inside the flight, and also going to the destination in terms of the resorts, the hotels, the different monuments and iconic locations that one can visit. Third objective for us was to highlight the service excellence provided by GoAir with the help of influencer-driven conversations. So when it comes to influencer marketing, the first and the foremost requirement for any client and also us as a category itself, or an industry itself, is that we have to drive conversations that are credible in nature. Influencer marketing more or less works in the same synchronity how peer references work, right? So from that perspective, we wanted to utilize influencer-driven conversations to create like a positivity around GoAir not just being your carrier or the first thought that comes to your mind in terms of going for a holiday as GoAir as a budget aircraft, but also somebody who actually crafts your entire package of holiday altogether, right? So moving on to the next one, what did we do? We did two very, very basic things which are required for any kind of a campaign, be it influencer marketing or anything else. We created an insight. of things. And this insight was driven by multiple things. We did a candid dipstick with obviously our employees, with GoAir employees, and also a couple of industry experts, even influencers for that matter. So we spoke to a couple of very high end top influencers, and we asked them that, guys, what does it take for you to talk about any holiday? What is the excitement? Where does it actually come from? And the basic and the most beautiful insight that came out of that conversation was that a holiday experience, starts from the mere conception of the idea till reaching the destination. So when I say conception of the idea, this is an industry research, especially from a travel category, that anyone who thinks of going on a holiday, the first mere thought of conception starts at least 50 days in advance. And that's where the strategy came into picture. That we developed a hyper local strategy, with people who are known for those kind of content, who had that kind of a credibility, and to position our offerings as more than just a means to get a budget friendly destination, but to showcase the experience one can have at their destination via the same travel partner 50 days in advance. So all our communication for all the new locations that we were launching, we started talking about them 50 days in advance. So by the end of your journey, you are already somebody who has transferred from the mere conception stage to the consideration stage, and ultimately comes your action stage, right? So how did we do this? How did we execute the strategy and the insight that we drove from influencers and from the category experts? So we created this concept called as Fly Smart with GoAir. How do we do that? We partnered with 5 top travel influencers in the category. Somebody like a Barkha Singh, somebody like a Shalini Chopra, somebody like a Varun Sood. All of these very, very big social media celebrities who were known for their content in travel category. Then we asked them to talk about international destinations. So there were 3 international destinations by GoAir and 2 Indian destinations as well. And we spoke about infinite budget-friendly experiences from doorstep to destination. So we asked these influencers to actually visit these locations. They all went to all of these locations, experienced the entire holistic nature of the experiences that was provided by GoAir and Go Holidays, and that's how they created their content as well. So their content was also very natural in its nature. It showed everything from their thinking stage to their booking stage to their experiences in flight to them going to the resort or the hotel itself, and also not just that, but also showcasing the iconic locations of that particular destination, something very similar to that of a travel show. So moving on, to give you a glimpse of what kind of top content creators do we partner with. So these are a few names. So if you see, on an average, we were talking to people who had, say, something about 300K followers, up to somebody who had about 1.7 million followers. So these guys very strongly specialize in their category of creating, number one, entertaining content, number two, informative content, and number three, very experiential content. So they have these very beautiful looking visuals that actually psychologically takes you to that location that you really want to go to. Next thing that we expected our consumers to do, which they very well did, was to look at this content and go to the GoAir sites and try to book their tickets. So moving on to the next stage, so GoAir overall as a company works on 3 basic principles, which is punctuality, affordability, and convenience, right? So we actually took these principles and very strongly implemented them in all our stages of execution. So our first stage of execution was about selecting the right kind of macro influencers, right? So when we say selecting the right kind of people is, as I mentioned earlier, people who come with a very strong credibility, people who have a strong reference capability, and people who are very transparent in the way they create their content. It should not look salesy, it should not look gimmicky at all, was our number one criteria, right? Number two is where we customized and crafted an influencer story. So we, as an influencer agency, Word being an influencer agency for GoAir, we very strongly partnered with influencers and told them, listen, yes, you can create your own stories, but it has to go with the flavor of GoAir as a holiday experience provider. So we made sure that all our videos are very pretty looking. They are also very realistic in nature, not just pretty looking, right? So they spoke about everything from the beautiful cups that they had in the flight, the leg space that they had in the flight, the business class experiences, the beautiful room and the scenery that they could oversee from their resorts, and also the monuments of the different locations that these new destinations provided, right? And the third one was that we encouraged our potential customers who are actually looking at this content of social media influencers to try the holiday packages and booking destination driven flights themselves. So in all of these three different formats of execution, we ensured that in every piece of content there were these three principles very strongly imbibed. So these three principles which we initially spoke about, which is punctuality, affordability, and convenience. So at every point in time when an influencer would go to the airport, they would talk about the punctuality of Go Air flights. They would get inside the flight and they would talk about the leg space that they had or the amazing meal that they had from the perspective of affordability, right? The great value for a price. And third one was the convenience, because right from the moment they conceived the entire idea till the moment they actually went to the destination and experienced all of it was nothing but a mere convenience for them. Everything was comfortable for them. So we showcased all of these in a very, very sleek storytelling format. Moving on, so from this entire activity, we identified what are the top performing content for us. Because this activity was again done in multiple spurts, sometime in July, August, and a little bit in November as well. We saw that there were multiple pieces of content that worked in silo, and maybe this was like a carry forward feedback or the carry forward case study or a learning that we could actually take for our upcoming upcoming campaigns. So the first one that we realized was in-flight comfort experience. So apart from Barkha, also Nitiba, also Shalini, whoever traveled, they actually showcased the in-flight experiences, the well-spoken host, the leg spaces, the amazing food, the hot beverages that they actually experienced. All of that was well spoken of. Next one was personalization and education with flight arrival timings. So Nitiba did a beautiful YouTube video as well as an Instagram video for us, and in which she actually traveled with her own mother. So the convenience and the comfort of the different set of age groups was very educative for the consumers who are watching her content. So everywhere she traveled and everything that she spoke about was very personal in nature, and she also gave a lot of information. So the moment she was at the airport, she actually spoke about the how punctual the flight was, and how easy was it to load her baggage, and how helpful the staff was. All of those kind of little perks is something that you expect an airline to give you, but you experience it only the moment you go and book a flight, or you are on your way to go to a vacation, or at the airport yourself. But here we are showcasing that entire experience in a virtual format to you. The third one is step-by-step journey from door to destination. So when we partnered with Ashna, one of the very big, airline and travel fashion-driven influencer, her stories are impeccably beautiful, right? But here for GoAir, she actually customized her story formats and customized her content format to actually show us each and everything that she did on the destination. So there is an absolute transparency when it comes to the kind of content that people are also putting up on their social media handles. She showcased, if you can see in the image, she showcased the timing of the flight. She also showcased, what time the flight was, the kind of in-flight experiences. She also showcased about, the different rooms that she lived in, the kind of destinations, or the kind of iconic monuments that she visited at different destinations. So all of those were very well packaged and put out there on social media for people to absorb and understand that this is the real experience. You know, so all of this was done. And then moving on to the campaign performance. So apart from a typical impressions, reach, and views, and all of that, what I have done is I have also showcased you a bigger picture in terms of the overall campaign perspective. So these numbers are not just influencer marketing, but because our influencer marketing was also backed with search ads and also GDN for that matter, these are numbers which are more or less combined of that, but predominantly of influencer marketing. So in our campaign duration, we experienced something about 11% of growth in advanced ticketing. We also saw more than 4 lakh desktop impressions, 5 lakh of mobile impressions. Obviously, the reason for mobile impressions was also most of our content. I would say 80% of our content was more Instagram driven. Also, the big reason behind that is that because most of your influencers currently reside on Instagram as a platform. We wanted to focus more on Instagram as a platform, and more from a storytelling or a longer format perspective is where YouTube came into picture. The third one is desktop conversions. You can see the numbers that there was more on desktop because it's easier to go to the site and book your tickets. Everybody prefers it more on a bigger format versus the mobile conversions. Then there were website clicks, which was about 1400 to 4700. So this is like a wider range that I have given you because the campaign was again done in multiple spurts. And then there is average cost per website visit, so which is about 3 to 13 percent, or 3 to 13 rupees that picture. Sorry, not percent, it's rupees. So here you can see that if you were to evaluate the cost of the ticket versus the cost per visit to the website, it's quite a good number to go to. And the last but not the least is the average scope of work. So during our entire campaign duration, we realized that it had drastically increased because everybody on social media was talking about the beautiful videos and the content that we created with the biggest of travel influencers in the industry. So it was between the range of 50 to 70%. So that's the overall case study. Over to you, Shrinis.
Yeah. Khyati, you have a couple of questions.
Oh, yeah, sure. I'll just stop sharing. Okay.
Khyati,
Srinivas?
you can read out the questions in the chat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll go with random questions right now. So one is, with so many travel bloggers out there, how do you decide whom to choose? Someone who is most influential and genuine. That's a great question. In fact, that's the question that most of our clients keep asking us: that what is the criteria of selecting a particular influencer? So there are two ways we do it at Word. Word itself has an inbuilt software where we have a backend panel of more than 3,000 to something about 12 or 1,000 influencers. And we are constantly in touch with these influencers, and we select them basis, yes, their genuinity of the content, because every influencer loves to partner. There's a lot of monetary exchange that happens. But also the bigger question is the credibility of their content. So we need to see that do they really fit into the brand persona? Are they able to live up to the expectations of the brand and actually take it to another level? If those are the basic questions which are answered, then that influencer makes it to our list. Otherwise, they don't. Second one is, so is influencer marketing the new word of mouth, and how do you measure the ROI on influencer marketing? Influencer marketing honestly is not the new word. There have been, influencer marketing has been the talk of the town for many years right now. But recently, it's got a lot of attention because people influencers have, and the kind of realisticness of the nature of the kind of content that they are they're promoting or they are talking about. There's a lot of genuinity that comes into picture. So yes, it has been. In fact, I would agree with you. It has been more in the talks since the pandemic because obviously we didn't have any other digital assets to look up to or coordinate also from that matter. Second thing that has happened is from the digital assets perspective. In fact, I was just reading an article the other day that a lot of clients are planning to move their budgets from different digital assets more into influencer marketing because it's the power of voice and people would like to make the most of it. When it comes to the ROI, yes, we are still sticking to the basics, which is your reach, impressions, views, all of that kind of stuff, also your engagement. But the beauty of these ROI is that it's very transparent in nature. So, you will be able to see that as soon as your campaign is live. So there is nothing like, let's wait for the report to come into picture. You can directly see it on an ongoing campaign.
That's great. Thanks, Khyati, for such great insights into the campaign as well as into influencer marketing. I would also like to take a moment to thank our gold partners, Infobip, Flipkart, Financial Express Brand Wagon, and Jagran New Media. Thank you.
Thank you so much.